Welcome to the first week of Gender Talks, the spectrum of knowledge. I'm Dũng.
And I'm Thay. You know, Zoom, I was doom scrolling last night, as one does, and I took one of those clickbait quizzes.
Oh no, was it which Harry Potter house are you? Or what does your pizza topping say about your soul?
Worse, it was, is your brain male or female? Apparently, because I like reading maps, I have a male brain. But because I like chocolate, I have a female brain. I'm confused. Do I have two brains?
Okay, first of all, throw that quiz in the trash. But honestly, you just stumble onto the biggest debate in psychology.
Let me guess. The old natural versus nurture showdown?
Bingo. Specifically, are male and female brains actually different? Or is that quiz just making stuff up?
Historically, scientists thought the quiz was right, didn't they? Men are from Mars, women are from Venus, separate planets, separate brains.
Exactly, but today we are going to update your feed with some actual science. We have a massive study here by Daphne Joel called Sex Beyond the Genitalia, the Human Brain Mosaic.
Okay, the mosaic. I like that word. It sounds way better than the pink and the blue box.
It is. Joel team looked at over 1,400 brain scans, and guess what? They didn't find a male form or a female form. They found that almost everyone has a unique mix of features.
So my brain isn't male because I like maps. It's just a brain?
Right, it's a patchwork quilt, a mosaic. Very few people are all male or female inside the skulls.
Okay, but surely there is some difference in skills. Like everyone says guys are naturally better at maths. Please tell me we have data on that.
We do, and is hot off the press. A 2025 study by Sasuru Kikuchi used fMRI scans to watch brains while doing math.
And did the male brains lie up differently?
Nope. The brain activity was nearly 90% identical, and the neural process for math is fundamentally the same, regardless of gender.
Whoa, so the math gene is a lie.
Completely, but if our brain's nature are 90% similar, why do we see such a huge differences in the real world? Why are there fewer women in tech or engineering?
Oh, I think I know this one. If it's not biology, it's got to be socialization.
Exactly, the nurture side. And to prove it, let's look at the case study involving our favorite modern invention, artificial intelligence.
Oh, the paper by Curie and colleagues about AI generating images of medical students?
That's the one. Since AI learns from the internet, it reflects our society. And when they asked it to draw medical students, it was a disaster.
Let me guess. It drew all the doctors as men and the nurses as women.
Pretty much, it reinforced every stereotype in the book.
That is wild. So the AI proves that the bias isn't in our brains, it is our data, it is how we are raised.
Exactly. So to wrap up episode 2, the nature says your brain is a unique mosaic, not a gender box, while the nurture says society writes a script and sometimes that script is biased.
Time to rewrite the script, I think.
Couldn't agree more. Thank you for listening to Gender Talks.
Catch you on the spectrum.